Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss how to make opening statement influential in courtroom. Opening statement is one of the most significant elements of the trial of your case, as this is the first and best opportunity you have to present your case to the judge, jury, and also to other persons sitting in the courtroom. With an influential statement, you can shape the judge's perspective and pull his/her attention for the entire trial. You have the opportunity to establish the kind of credibility that will persuade the judges to trust the facts, testimony, documents, and other evidence that you actually will submit for their consideration. If I am not wrong, your outstanding opening statement can capable enough to make a winning path for you. On the contrary, a disastrous opening statement may also set a path to lose the case. Not necessarily, but yes, you have to work really very hard to overcome it, because if you have set the judge's mind opposite, then it's very difficult to again change his mind. Now I want to quote a very good statement well said by someone, that is, a good lawyer is one who knows the law, but a smart or very good lawyer is one who knows the judge. It means, anyway, you have to convince the judge. Furthermore, I have categorized this discussion into two parts. In the first part, that is this one, I will be discussing the acts and steps that you need to avoid while giving your opening statement. And in the second part, I will be discussing what actually need to follow in your opening statement. However, at this point in time, I would like to put my disclaimer that this is my personal view that I have developed through my profound studies and experiences. Therefore, don't take it granted. For someone, it could be highly beneficial, but for some other, it may not. But I never mean that one who doesn't follow would not get success. So now let's understand first, what is an opening statement? Opening statement is an introductory remark that introduces the judges or juries or both to the respective parties, background of the facts, and other observations and theories of the case. Now check out the salient features of an opening statement. The first one, it should be fairly short. Second one, highly focused. Focused on the point that you will be going to argue throughout the case. And well arranged in chronological order. Every point and information should be arranged in order as books are arranged in the library. So, opening statements are usually short and highly focused on the key facts of the respective case, so that it can easily give an overall perspective of the nature of dispute or issue to the judge. Now, the second most important question is, what does need to avoid while preparing for the opening statement? In order to make an opening statement more influential, many of the lawyers dissipate this opportunity by presenting their theory, laws, evidence, etc. Therefore, the following experiment in your opening statement. The first one, that is, don't waste time. Many of the lawyers waste time in arranging the documents and papers that they are carrying with themselves and thanking everyone for giving the time and opportunity, etc. Simply avoid this. Next, don't explain the purpose of your opening statement. Rather, come to the point directly. Do not forget, you have very limited time for this. Next, don't give trivial details. In your opening statement, don't go into much detail. By doing this, you might miss out the key points. Secondly, even judges will get confused. What is actually the point to be emphasized? So simply avoid this. Next, don't read out your opening statement. Never do this, as it is boring and hence highly disastrous. Next, don't argue in your opening statement. Opening statement's purpose is simply to inform the judge about the facts that you want to prove. So strictly avoid the argument. Last but not the least, don't exaggerate the facts. Your statement has to be direct and straightforward. No exaggeration at all that may bore the judge and pass wrong impressions about you.